So this morning we woke, I'll start with yesterday. Yesterday Mum brought home the crate because we took Ralph home in it. This morning we woke up and we found McQueen in the crate.
Jackson's putting more.
Jackson!
Are they?
Why is McQueen in the crate? What's McQueen doing in the crate?
This is the first time that Bubba's watched the Trolls today.
Is it?
Yep.
Jackson's new favourite movie is Trolls.
I've been thinking about trying him on the Smurfs.
Yeah.
You going no? Hmm? Are you a bit tired, honey? What about you?
No.
You got no. Oh.
No.
No, Bobby. No.
We're trying to get the kids to go have baths and showers. You look like you have a beard. That's how dirty you are.
Dad,
Jackson's
there's a new
too.
potion.
Look at his face.
Dad, there's a new potion by
You need to have shower. No.
I don't
So
know.
he's made himself comfy. You need a shower. You need a shower. You smell. So we all got ready. Now we're going to Harvey Norman because Jesse wants to look at a microwave. He's window shopping. And then I think we're going to another shop. But we're going to start watching the TV series on Netflix, a series of unfortunate events. I think
Lemony Snicket.
Lemony Snicket.
A series of unfortunate events.
Yeah, so we're probably going to watch that when we get home as well. But Caden's wearing his little army shirt and little boots. Got his ring on. Jackson looks all summery.
It's like a mix today.
And I'm wearing my fave shirt.
Like the temperature gauge here says it's 24 outside.
Yeah. Yes, that's what we're doing. I'll quickly show you my nails in the sunlight as well. They look cool. All shiny. It looks like brown.
It looks like so low there's nothing there.
It looks nice.
So, that zoomed in.
Oh.
We looked at microwaves and we found one that I think we're going to get in the near future. I'll insert a photo now. But yeah, I think we're going to do the theme kind of colour of our kitchen black. But the fridge will be white, so hopefully it doesn't stand out.
Countertop's white, eh?
No, like all different kind of colour, like cream and all different colours in it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we were going to go with the black theme anyway because I got black canisters to start it off. But yeah, so we just got some frozen Cokes from Hungry Jack's. I think we're going to go to see Tom and Nicole now. Have a little visit, maybe.
He's nearly asleep. See that jumping again, Kate. Oh, he wasn't watching.
Oh, that is a bit dangerous.
Wait, watch, ready?
Oh, your shoe's coming down, okay.
Your zip's undone. Pull your zip up on your shoe.
Oh, this one. Oh, the flip one.
No, checks with them.
And Mama,
Yeah.
if I get
What have you got?
Pringles and clocks. And
Cool.
when I just got in here, my nose starts sizzling because of this and this.
Oh, did it? Nice. I have to tell him what he said. So I was sitting here talking with Nicole. Here she is, by the way. Hello. And Ken goes, oh, I'm hungry. And then Nicole's like, oh, what do you feel like? And he goes, I don't know what you've got. So Nicole's like, do you want to look? So that's what he's got. You're pretty lucky. Where's your pants? Where are they?
Where's your pants?
Where's your pants? Where's your pants gone? Oh, Jackson fell over at the back, didn't you? You got sore.
I don't know what he fell on.
I don't know, maybe the cement's all scratched up though, isn't
Hey
it?
Jax, are you okay?
Okay. Let's see how you can do it. Little army man.
Come, Jax.
Can you push up? Super cool.
Mommy just does this.
Thank you both. Our pleasure. Kind of. You know, we have a saying on the night shift. If you want something, set it free.
Oh, he's gonna get up and go too.
You feel okay?
Bye-bye, dog.
He's just like whatever. See you guys. Either I'm the one behind you. Bye. So we just got home.
And this goes up to 46.
Yeah.
And I just bought I'm gonna buy a few of these.
Oh, that means you can sell it. Look.
Yeah, but I'm just doing everything to it first.
Anyways, we just got home not long ago, waiting for Jesse's sister to come over and pick up at Avon. But I'm playing a new game. It's called Pekka Pets. I had a little bit of laugh at the name because Pekka is like a willy. But Nicole recommended it to me, so I'm going to have a shot. Should be good. You can sell, look, it says sell. And then you can get a new one.
Yeah, I know, but I want to sell them now.
You get $500. So, get a new one.
Okay, let's see when I hurt. Oh, I already
That
have
is so
I already
cute.
have that one.
Do you? Well, you're going to have to build it up so you can sell it. Hello. 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 So we're eating ice cream cones and watching that Netflix show we said we were going to watch. I always forget the name. Yeah, that one.
This is the backyard, which needs weeding, mowing, and pruning. It is also where you will chop wood.
Glasses.
So Mum just picked me up. She's got smart apparently. We're gonna go for a walk at the wetlands, so that should be fun. We got
Yeah, and we're gonna
Cheating.
bring the equipment, and I'm gonna do some exercising.
yeah.
Like
Come here. I'll fix it for you.
Clever clogs.
Come here. Fix you. Not ready?
Don't you dare say it before me.
the queen is here.
Oh God, what?
The Queen is here! He's got a bit of learning to do.
Hey, you're not a queen, you're a prince. Yes, we are. Come here.
Lucky.
Listen, because, keep that, wrap it around there, because watch, I'll show you. See that? It's cracked. It'll fall off. So you have to keep that because the chocolate falls off, right? Okay, okay. I can't even see it myself.
So, change of plans. We are going to the beach. And we picked up Grandma.
To the beach, beach, beach.
So yeah. See you, bitch.
Bye, Cam.
Wow.
What does she need?
She needs 1 scoop of biscuits first, and then a couple of spoons of the food.
This one? Yep. Does the spoon hold it?
There's already a scoop in there, Bob.
Oh.
Caden is going to feed Misty Moo.
Okay.
Bring it down here. Let's just spill some. Oh, she's like, give me food. Get feed Harry as well.
Try to make sure she has a big one. Look up here, please.
She's cheeky. Maybe do one more.
Miss, your dinner's not done yet. There's more. She's like, thank you. Put that there. That smells good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the smell of it. I'll bring it down here so I don't spill any. She'll be a bit cheeky. Come on this side, I reckon.
Miss. Oh, that's very pretty. Now, how much of this?
Couple of spoons.
Okay.
Caden's doing Harry's tea now. And he's going to have a little treat.
Scoops?
1 or 2. He doesn't really eat too many biscuits.
I'll just do 2. 1.
Caden just chucked a couple of treats in. And now we're going to put the meat.
I love meat. Wait, can I do that? Can I do that part a little bit?
I need you to hear me.
That's hot.
Yeah, give it a mix and then we have to cool it down a bit. Alright, give it a mix.
Mix it. Mix it downstream. Okay, that's done.
Maybe 1 more scoop.
Okay.
Alright, should we take it to him now?
I am.
Hang on, I'll open the door for you.
Because he's my favourite too. As
He's excited.
here.
Come here, Harry. Harry.
And what one do I go to? The food. Okay, put that down. Now it's time to have a play.
Having your daily bounce on the trampoline?
Every day I have a daily bounce.
You do, don't you?
But this one is really like. Normally now, so sorry.
Normally you have Bubby with you, don't you?
Wait,
Not today.
this is the 100th minute, but I'm going to sing something. It's too late now, so sorry.
Cool.
That's Bobby.
Yeah, Jackson went to bed, honey. While we were out, Jackson went to bed.
Hey,
So I didn't really make anything for tea. We did have some party pies and sausage rolls before we went out, so it should be fine. I'll put that chicken aside for tomorrow.
It's not reloaded.
I'm just pretending.
It's not reloaded.
This is my friend Ashton. What? That's just my dog. And I feeded my dog and Mum's cat.
It's your cat too.
Yeah?
My cat's gotten very big. It's 30 months old now.
Wait, how old is ours?
I forgot to end the vlog, but as you can see I'm in bed. But I'll see you for tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye.